Hi, Harry Dent here with the Rant for Friday the 24th. I am in Sun Valley, Idaho. This is the Platinum Conference, one of four that Tony Robbins puts on for his highest paying members. And this is my favorite group to speak to because I learned earlier in my career, I was in Harvard Business School, I was trained to be a corporate top executive, but I learned I was an entrepreneur. And I've been an entrepreneur since, starting my own business and largely speaking to small entrepreneurial businesses. But I found out that there was Tech and Vistage, great groups around the world, YPO, the most dynamic, high growth small businesses. And this group beats them all. So these are small businesses that are very successful, high growth, and they are the most fun audience I have. So that given, where are we in the markets? Well, we're still in this intense battle, okay? Because again, we've had the first serious crash in a while, after this 2009 to 2021 blow-off bubble, fifth wave of all time. And that was 34% right off the bat, and the bottom in October, a little later, was 38% for the NASDAQ. Now, so that is enough to finally qualify for that first crash, but we have to see the next wave down. I call it, the first wave down, and now this would be the third wave down after this two-wave bounce. This two-wave bounce now is going towards 5 months, okay? So by sometime in March, if this thing does not turn down, it's going to start to be very unclear, okay? So this bounce could go a little higher. I've said 13,186. That really is the most important number for the NASDAQ. Would not be hard to get there if the market keeps bouncing. But if it keeps going up from there, then the markets are going to try to make a new high, and then it becomes very difficult to tell how it goes from there. If instead, what I'd love to see, it breaks 10,088 in the next few months, turns back down, which I think is the most likely scenario, then we're going in that third wave, and then we are in a great crash that's got much more to go, and that's what it would take to confirm that. Okay, so that's where we are now. Think of this as a band we're in, between 10,088 on the bottom side and 13,186 on the top. Not all the way back to the high, 16,212 on the NASDAQ. So we're in this band. If we can break above 13,186, that's going to be more bullish for a while. Not what I want to see, obviously, okay? But if we can break that 10,088 number conclusively, then this third wave is likely to take us down to the 2020 lows, about 2190 on the S&P 500, and then we'll be down like 57 to 60%. In the major stock indices, and then we'll know we're in a major crash, and then it's going to be harder for the Fed to fight this. Even if they turn around and pivot, it'll probably be too late. So this is an epic battle. I want the markets to win this one. The markets want to take a big downturn, flush out bad debts in the economy, flush out zombie companies, get down to fair values where investors can invest in it. That's what the market wants. The Federal Reserve wants, smooth road, no recession ever again, which shows they don't understand the economy, frankly. So, really look at your portfolios here. If we get to 13,186, that is the best time to sell here. Any stocks or say other risk assets, and anybody thinking about selling real estate, your time clock is running out because real estate freezes up quick when it finally does. Okay. So this is a time to be watching. This should be decided in the next few months more conclusively. And if we break that 10,088 level, then are in the crash of a lifetime. There's no way there's going to be new highs. And we're going to see the buy opportunity of a lifetime, probably between mid-2024 and late 2024. I'm just taking this, what are the biggest crashes in history, like 29 to 32, how long did they take? So we did peak in January 4th, which does look very, very likely on the S&P 500. And just before that, for the NASDAQ, then we should bottom somewhere in mid to late 2024. And then we're going to have a 13-year boom. You're going to be able to buy stocks and all types of financial assets at the lowest point you'll see in your lifetime, and we'll just go from there. So of course I'm going to keep you updated, but I'm hoping this drama here, this sideways channel, this supposed confusion, okay? The markets aren't confused, okay? They just want to basically kill everybody in the short term, okay? They're our friend in the long term because they go up, in the short term they're always playing with us and trying to talk us out of good positions and talk us into bad positions and that sort of stuff. So be clear. This is going to be resolved soon. You have to be out on this bounce, or the worst is going to come quick. The third wave should be the largest and most painful wave in this whole crash. So I will keep you updated.